Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the HUD settings for Black Myth Wukong. First, of course, open the main menu by pressing the escape button. While in settings, in equipment, go to the settings again by using buttons displayed right here or simply moving your mouse to the button. Then go into the gameplay settings. Right here in the HUD section, you can see there are many different individual settings that I will explain what they do now, right? And the character status HUD, you can toggle it between automatic, always replace, or always HUD. It simply matters when you want to, for example, always have your HUD displayed, have it disappear or appear in certain moments, or have it always disabled. It is useful to have it always enabled if you want to have always the information on hand, always hide if you want a bit more challenge, a bit more immersion, and automatic if you want a mix of both. As you can see, there are also description information for the controller. It shows you a brief information of the on-hand items while holding down the L2 button. You can toggle it on or off, of course. The same goes for description information on mouse. It is only the single change is that you don't have to press any button. You can it will enable permanent display of the on-hand item effects description in the inventory bar. Quite useful for the new players. There are also transformation attack prompts that enable button prompts for attacks to be displayed on the HUD while in transformation state. Can be useful. Of course, the min-maxer's dream, the damage number, you can always. I would always recommend to keep them on. Well, maybe if you want a bit more immersion, you can keep them off, but I would definitely leave them on. Enemy health bars, as you can see, immersion versus functionality. Boss health bars, the same thing. Lock on reticle. Quite useful while in combat, but as you can see, all HUD options are basically choosing between realism, immersion, and difficulty, and functionality and ease of use. Of course, there are also low health alerts. You can enable alerts on the HUD when the character's health drops below a certain threshold. You can see there is off, low, medium, high, and that's it for this section. If you want to reset the settings to the base settings, simply tap R or the corresponding button displayed here and confirm. If you are happy with the choices you made, don't do this and simply return to the game. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.